Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Polygon is now quite deep in the support area. The overall forecast hasn't really changed. I'm still not convinced that a substantial low has formed. So the overall idea is still that we are probably heading for another low. Okay, so that hasn't changed, and I would not be surprised to see that C wave here of wave Z get into the low 20 cent, mid 20 cent region. We can use some Fibonacci extensions to calculate that, but it would actually be clearer with a larger B wave before we go down in wave C. But we'll see. I mean, for now, that could still happen. What I wanted to share with you in previous videos and also in this video is, again, that I'm not convinced that a substantial low has formed and further downside is very likely. So we want to, first of all, let's take a look at what the Fibs say. What we can do, for example, we can take the length of waves W to Y, and we go to the high of the X wave. And that gives us here, for example, a couple of levels to watch. One that is relevant is the 19.5 cent level, pretty much 20 cents. That's the 100% extension. But one that is also relevant is the 78.6, so that's at 26 cents. So 26 to 20 cents seems to be a relevant target zone for wave C of Z. But yeah, again, I would not be surprised if we get further downside, because this here is not a clear bottoming structure. And what I highlighted to you in the last video was that this here was only a 3-wave rally. So really, in the best case, what we are watching for is a larger 3-wave rally, which could lead to wave C of B. And this is possible still. And it is something we could watch for really as long as the 37.4 cent level here is holding. It's still holding. But any sustained break below it will make it more probable that we're eventually going down more directly. So my preferred interpretation is, not because I like it, but because it seems to be the more probable scenario, is that this is either an A, B, C, or A, the B wave topped already, but then it was extremely weak, which indicates further weakness ahead, and we go down more directly, okay? I did tell you that, okay, if we see a larger 3-wave move and the next pullback is corrective, we can watch for the yellow count, but that's not preferred because the initial rally between the 5th of August and the 21st of August is also a corrective rally. This is a corrective rally. It's just not clearly bullish, but I definitely recognize that a wider B-wave flat correction can unfold. That doesn't make it a great setup. It's just the potential is here. But yeah, it's come down quite direct, okay, in a very direct fashion. So it might very well be we are already in the C wave down. Again, nothing bullish there. I'm actually rather bearish on Polygon until it gives us a clear 5-wave move up, or at least we break above resistance or something that gives us a bit more upside momentum. Yeah, even if we see a C wave rally, which can be an impulse, it would still just be a larger 3-wave move. Shouldn't surprise anyone if it does it, especially from here. That's still possible, but that doesn't make this a bullish setup, not after a 3-wave move up, right? That's why I'm always saying we need the 5 waves for clear probabilities. So that's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.